Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a very quick paper piecing from the Toy Story page kit number 104. If you haven't already, you can pick up this kit in my Etsy shop. Check the description below this video. There will be a link where you can pick this kit up. So this is going to be really quick. As you can see, there's not too many pieces, no tiny pieces. Great kit to pick up for beginners in paper piecing. If you haven't done a lot of paper piecing, this would be the kit to start with. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear with the fine metal tip. That is my favorite to use. There's a lot of different things that you can use. If you use something different, please feel free to put it in the comments below. Love to hear new ideas. So I'm just going to start by building up the base, and I'm just going to place some glue. I like to keep it about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge so that we don't get glue coming out the sides. And there is a black border that goes around. So I'm just looking around and making sure it's even all the way around. Get the pipe that down. And the next one is going to be the red down here. Okay, I'm going to place the white one on next. And you want to make sure that you're putting glue on the correct side. So if you're not sure, hold it up next to the piece. And this is the same size as the red. The only reason that red is there is to show through those two little tiny dots. And you're going to see that in a minute. Okay, so we're going to put the next red piece goes on top, and you'll see those two little dots just fill in the O and the R. And the reason for this is so that you don't have all those extra little letters to put on separately and hope they're centered and straight. Makes it a lot easier doing it this way. And it comes together very quickly too. And it's the same size as the white. So you're just gonna line it up, press it down good. Okay, now we're gonna add our letters, or the big yellow letters. And these just go right in the middle there. So you just kind of eyeball it and center it. And now you'll see the O has a little notch. That's to finish off the border of the T. Go around here. So I'm looking at the hole in the center of the O, making sure it's centered around there, and also looking at the line so this notch lines up. Okay, same thing with the Y. It has a curve cut out of it for the O. It's gonna go just like that. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you've liked this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. I am trying to put a new video every day up on my channel. Hopefully I can keep that up. So please subscribe and click that bell for notifications, and it'll alert you every time there's a brand new video. And once again, you can pick up the page kit in my Etsy shop. Click the link below in the description. You'll find all kinds of fun projects there. If you don't see this one or if it says it's sold out, just go ahead and message me and I will let you know when this one will be back in stock if it's not available. Have a great day.